all the corruption issues raised by BJP regarding the corruption in district council. See, they have been denying that there is no corruption in district council, but it's high time because the election is just around the corner. The people will give the answer. People will give the answer because there is corruption in Garo Hills, and even now, the employees have ceased work because they have not been paid salary for 34 months. So again, if we look at it, it is clear that due to corruption, the council is actually sinking, and there is no fund in the district council because the entire fund has been borrowed by through a system, and it has benefited the political leaders as well as the former MDCs, whereas the employees and the people in general has been deprived.